Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can randomize skins on Valorant. This is also like a new feature after you've updated your Valorant, so make sure you've updated your Valorant. Go to collection and go to the skin you want to be randomized. Select this button, random favorite skin. Make sure you've also favorited like your skins. I'm just going to favorite all of them like so, and then you're just going to select equip skin in random favorite skin. And I think like when you start a game or start a round and like buy phantom, it'll give you different phantom skins like for every round you buy a phantom, I think. So yeah, that is how you can randomize your favorite skin on Valorant. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!